What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. We are back at Costco with another great video. Monday, March 3rd, and we have Costco's 31 hot flash deals for the week in March 2025. Let's not waste any time and get into the video. And first up, we have the Swedish dishcloths. Now, this is a 12-piece set. You get 6 standard and 6 large. Now, this set is pretty amazing. If you use a lot of paper towels in your household, definitely come to Costco and definitely buy these. I own them myself. I love them. They work great. Now, these are ultra water absorbent. They're reusable, they're machine washable, and they're multi-purpose. Me personally, I like to use them to wipe down my countertops. I use it to wipe down my fridge, clean my windows, a variety of different things you can use this for. Now, we have a great price here, bringing it down to $7.99, same price at Costco.com. In the number 2 spot, to my right from Town & Country, we have their Comfort Gel Kitchen Mat. Now, we do have 3 different designs to choose from. They're made out of polyurethane. They have a gel layer for added comfort. Now, on the back of them, they do have a non-skid backing, which I love, and they're very easy to care for. So right in front of us, we do have this beautiful chevron pattern, which I love. They're 20 by 42 inches. Now, these are pretty cheap as they are, $3 off the price, bringing it down to $11.99. In the number 3 spot, we do have a new bath towel available here at Costco. Now, when it comes to bath towels, I always prefer 100% cotton. Now, that's exactly what these are, 100% cotton. They're 30 by 58 inches, and they do have a beautiful floral design. Now, keep in mind, we have assorted colors here. Now, all these colors are pretty much have a neutral look to them. They're giving us $2 off the price, bringing it down to $6.99. Now, when it comes to batteries, only buy batteries when they are on sale. We have the Duracell batteries up next. We have the AA, we have the AAA, we have the C, and we have the D. Some stores even have the CR 2032s. Now, right in front of us, we have a 40-pack of AA batteries, $18.99. They are giving us $2 off the price. To my right, we have the AAA, which are the same price. And to the right of that, we got the D and we got the C. All these batteries are all on sale. Never buy batteries at full price unless you absolutely have to. If not, search on Amazon, has some great deals. Here we have the 9-volt as well. $2 off, $18.99. In the number 5 spot, we have the Ninja Foodi. Now, this is their 10-in-1 flip air fryer oven. Now, it does have some pretty amazing features, but when it comes to air frying, it's not the best in my opinion. Now, it does make a great pizza, so if you love pizza, this makes an awesome pizza. Now, Ninja just released a new air fryer called the Ninja Crispy. You may want to check that one out if you love to air fryer. That one looks pretty amazing in my opinion. Now, this one is also amazing, but one other downfall, it's a pain in the neck to clean, but it is nice because you can flip it up and tuck it away. Here at Costco, they're giving us $40 off the price, $139.99. So we do have a new patio set. Let's go check that out. Here it is from Sunvilla. We have their Fairchild, their 5-piece outdoor patio seating set. Now the cushions are these are Sunbrella cushions. That's why the price is so expensive. We get the 2 rocking chairs that swivel, the sofa, the tabletop. And if you notice this whole section from my last week's Costco clearance video, all the furniture is pretty much gone. The sofas, the recliners, the sectionals, pretty much all sold out. They have a few pieces left, but pretty much gone. Now those tabletops have a beautiful stone scratch resistant top. Very nice set here. Yes, it's expensive, but it looks amazing. And the cushions are Sunbrella, like I mentioned. They're giving us $400 off the price, bringing it down to $1499.99. And moving on to the number 7 spot, this time from MSI, we have a 27-inch gaming monitor. Now this gaming monitor does have a resolution of 2560 by 1440, so it is not a full 4K. It does have a rapid IPS display, which I like, 170 Hz refresh rate, which is good when you are gaming, with a 1 millisecond response time. Also, it's NVIDIA G-Sync compatible with HDR400. Also has a display port, which is a plus, $50 off the price, bringing it down to $149.99. It's also available at Costco.com for the same exact price. In the number 8 spot, this time from Swiss Gear, we have their $80.99 expandable spinner carry-on. Now this carry-on does look pretty nice. I love both colors, the green and the black. They both look great. Now at the bottom of the carry-on, it has 8 spinner wheels, 360-degree multi-directional spinner wheels. So 2 on each corner, giving it 8 in total. That way you get maximum maneuverability. So when you're walking around the airport, this thing does not get stuck on anything. Check out that price, $20 off at $69.99. You could also pick it up at Costco.com for $10 more. In the number 9 spot from Polder, we have their storage caddy. Now, this was pretty surprising for me. It's actually a lot bigger than I anticipated. We have one on display. Let me take it out for you. So I do like it. I never did like it, but now that I pull it out, it's pretty nice. It does hold very nicely. I like the handle. I like the size of it. I like the storage compartments. It's not a bad price at all for $10. Not too much to complain about here. So they are giving us a $3 discount today, bringing the price down to $9.99. In the number 10 spot, this time from Lifetime, we have their 165-gallon modern deck box. Now, I did have a subscriber mention the top lid does like to warp, so you do got to be very cautious if you're going to leave it in the sunlight. They're giving us $30 off the price today, bringing it down to $119.99. If you're looking for something bigger, head over to Sam's Club. They have a 230-gallon deck box from Keter. They even have matching Adirondack chairs, which I love. A nice, deep, rich black color to them. They look very nice. In the number 11 spot, we have the Elena sofa table with 2 ottomans. Now, we did see this table in my Costco clearance video for $299.97. Now, they brought all the furniture from the front of the warehouse back to the back of the warehouse. There's not much left here, but what we also noticed, this table is no longer on clearance. They did apply a manufacturer savings to it, which I've seen a few times. So here we have the table. It's constructed out of rubberwood solids, has a beautiful birch veneer. Now, the ottomans do have storage on the inside. They have casters on the bottom. Today, instead of on clearance, they did apply a manufacturer savings for $150 off the price, bringing it down to $249.99. That's a $50 savings from the clearance price. In the number 12 spot from Epson, we have their Eco Tank. Now, last week in my Costco clearance video, we saw Epson's little brother, the ET2850, on clearance for $199.97. Today, we're looking at the big brother, the 3850, a much better printer. They're all-in-one printer, print, scan, and copy. This is the ET3850, has that Eco Tank system where you just grab the bottle, dump it in. I showed that in my last video, but today we have a pretty great savings. Check out that price, $80 off, bringing the price down to $298.99. In the number 13 spot from Samsung, we have their Galaxy Tab S9, their 12.4-inch Wi-Fi tablet. Now, it is 128 gigs, and you do get the S Pen, which is included, which is very nice. Now, a lot of people love this tablet. Why? Because it has a long-lasting battery life, up to 20 hours. Pretty nice, has a warranty for 2 years, which is also great, and it has amazing speaker quality too, which is pretty surprising. Has dual speakers in the front, so it makes everything sound amazing. That large screen everybody loves at 12.4 inches, $100 off the price, bringing it down to $449.99. And we do got the little guy from Sharper Image. Now, this power percussion tool is pretty amazing. It's small, it's compact, it's very easy to use. Now, because it's so compact and so small, you find yourself using it a lot more often. You just grab it. It's not too much of a burden to use on yourself. That's what I love about it. Now, it does have 4 speed settings and 4 different tailored attachments which you can use. Those attachments do target different reliefs around your body for different types of muscle soreness. Now, it does have a 2-hour battery life, which is great. $10 off the price, $39.99. Now, if you are in the market for a new vanity and you want to upgrade yours in your household, check this one out from Kohler. It's pretty amazing here. Don't be shy, don't be nervous to upgrade your vanity in your household. It's very simple to do. If you can't do it yourself, you can always hire somebody. Just grab somebody, a local handyman. This is fairly simple to do, and it looks amazing. A simple upgrade to your household. This one from Kohler, check out that price. Have someone help you bring it home. $349.99 for a 30-inch vanity with the hardware included is a pretty amazing price. In the number 16 spot from Safe Racks, we have their storage bin rack with a 5-bin capacity, so meaning it can hold 5 of those storage bins. Now, these bins are those big 27-gallon bins they sell at Costco. Pretty nice rack here. I love the compact design. Now, normally this is something I would build myself, but with the discount today, I may consider it. Not too bad, $59.99. In the number 17 spot, if you're a fan of mushrooms, you may want to check out the Mushroom Ravioli Alfredo. Now, they are giving us $3 off the price today. Any package you choose in the pile, they're taking $3 off at the register. Try and grab the least expensive one in the pile. That way you can maximize your savings. Now, keep in mind also, I do believe the Pepto-Bismol is also on sale. So if you grab one of these, you may want to grab one of those. $3 off the price, any package. And next up, this time from West End in the number 18 spot. Now, these are good if you're in a rush. We have the grilled chicken kebabs. Some may say the grilled skewers. Some may say the Mediterranean kebabs. Whatever you want to call it, the chicken kebabs, the chicken skewers, the chicken on a stick. Now, these breasts are on sale here. Now, a great price if you're in a rush. These are fully cooked. You grab them and go. 20 ounces in total, 1.7 pounds, $3.50 off the price, $12.49. That's about $7 per pound. Now, these do have 150 calories per serving, 3 grams of carbs, and 24 grams of protein. Great macros, great product. These are good if you're in the rush. And now from Good Foods, we have their organic chunky guacamole, traditional style. Now, I do love this brand. They usually have great ingredients, very clean ingredients. Now, this guacamole is pretty nice. We do get a 3-pack here. Check out those macros, 40 calories for 2 tablespoons, 3 grams of carbs, 1 gram of protein, and check out those ingredients. Very good. $3 off the price, bringing it down to $10.99. That's about $4.50 per pound. In the number 20 spot, you can never go wrong with Haagen-Dazs. We have their vanilla milk chocolate ice cream bars. Now, we do get a 15 count per box here. It does look pretty delicious, I might add. Now, let's check out the macros. 270 calories per bar, 20 grams of carbs, 14 grams of added sugar, and it does have 4 grams of protein. $3 off the price tag, bringing it down to $10.99. And here we have the Polly string cheese. I haven't seen this in a while. 48 individual cheese snacks. Now, if you haven't seen the commercials from the 80s and 90s with the Polly string cheese, check those out on YouTube. They're pretty funny. You'll get a nice laugh out of it. Now, here we have it. They're giving us a pretty good discount today. $3.70 off the price, $7.99. In the number 22nd spot from Nutso, we have their nut seed butter here. Now, this does consist of 7 nuts, making this nut butter. Let's check it out. Here we have it, 7 nuts and seed butter, power fuel, crunchy, no sugar added. Pretty nice looking product here. Let's check out the macros on the back. 180 calories per serving, typical macros, 8 grams of carbs, no added sugar, 6 grams of protein. And check out that price, pretty expensive, 26 ounces, $3 off, $11.99. And once again, back on sale again, we have the giant edition of Connect 4. Now, I did buy this a couple of weeks ago, but unfortunately, I did have to return it. It's a little bit too big for my son. My son's still a little bit too small to play with it. It's 46 by 40, so it is very big. It's durable. You can leave it outside all year long. You can leave it inside. You can use it for indoor or outdoor use. I do like it a lot. Super easy to put together. Very nice. The classic Connect 4. You can't go wrong with this game. Just make sure your kids are old enough to play with it. So here they brought it down $10, bringing the price down to $59.99. It's a little bit more money online, so try to buy it here at the warehouse. In the number 24 spot from Kirkland, we have their signature bed sheets available. Now, this does come in a 6-piece set, has a 680 thread count, which is nice. I like that. You get 1 flat sheet, 1 fitted sheet, and 4 pillowcases. Now, this 680 thread count sheet set has that Pima cotton. It's grown in California. They do have 4 different colors to choose from. They even have 4 different sizes. But here at the warehouse, we have the king size and the queen size. The queen size, $54.99. And then the king size to my left, let's check that out. That's $64.99. They have the full size and they have the California King available at Costco.com. In the number 25 spot from Sealy, we have their cooling gel memory foam pillow. Now, this does have a nice ergonomic contour shaped design, but the reviews on it are not the greatest. It has a premium memory foam top with a medium support. Also, the pillow does have that cooling gel top layer, which a lot of people do love. It's removable. It also has a machine washable cover, which I like. We can see it there right on display. Now, today here at Costco, they are giving us a $6 discount, bringing the price down to $23.99. If you do want to purchase it at Costco.com, you can grab it there for $28.99. Now, we did see these pillows in my video last week with Costco's new arrivals. From Below Zero, we have their cooling body pillow. Now, these pillows are pretty nice. They're 85% cooling nylon with 15% spandex, has 100% polyester fiber. Now, it does have a medium support also as well. It's cool to the touch and very, very silky soft, which I love. Today here at Costco, they're giving us a nice $3 discount. The reviews on it are pretty decent, and the price is not bad at all at $11.99. And I do want to show you a couple of resin planters I found. Now keep in mind, friends, when you see planters like these, they go pretty quickly here at the warehouse. So don't always wait for the best price like I do. Sometimes they'll sell out and they won't restock. Now these resin planters do look pretty amazing. The gray and the white, they have that concrete look to them. I like them a lot. So I am going to grab a couple next time I head to the warehouse. Hopefully they do have some left. Check out this price. So they're super lightweight because they're made out of resin. Only $16.99 per piece. Now, if you're willing to spend a little bit more money, we have some handmade ceramic planters with a beautiful glazed finish to them. Now, these beautiful blue planters are 16.5 inches wide by 20.5 inches tall. They have the pre-drilled drain holes in them already. Now, they do look pretty amazing. They hold about 45 quarts. Now, these planters do have a little bit of a hefty price tag, but look how nice they look. That glazed finish is beautiful. Let's check out the price tag. So here at Costco, the price is $46.99. Yeah, so our next couple of products are just going to be new arrivals. I do want to show you, prep you for this week's new video. We have the new Timber Ridge available here at Costco. We have that beautiful sage green, and we also have the tan available as well. Both these new colors look amazing. It's a lot better than the blue in my opinion. I have a few blues in my house, but anyways, that Tommy Bahama chair is also amazing as well. So if I had to choose between the two, definitely grab the Tommy Bahama chair. That chair is so comfortable, but the Timber Ridge does fold up and it's nice and compact, $49.99. And just down the aisle, we have so many new products here at Costco. We have the men's and we have the women's new life vest. We have a water slide. So many great new products here at Costco. Check out the new life vest for men and for women, $39.99. So many great new products. You got to stay tuned for Costco's new arrivals coming out this week. And for tomorrow's video, we are going to cover a new savings at Costco. It's called Save on Organic at Costco. A lot of organic products on sale that we need to cover. I did film it all today, so we'll cover that tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. Alright friends, ending the video here. I hope you did enjoy today's video, and if you did and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification, and don't forget to follow us over on Instagram. Like, comment, and share. If you want to support the channel, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. When it comes to Amazon, Costco, and Sam's Club, we try to show you the best deals every week on this channel. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. I'll see you tomorrow, friends, with a new video on organic products at Costco. Peace.